Good morning. It is nearly 8 o'clock and today is my very first day at Winchester Uni. So nervous but so excited. I'm really excited to go. Go back to uni, guys. I'm just waiting for my taxi. Gotta go catch my train.
Cool, isn't that?
I got my very cool Harry Potter school bag. Thanks, husband. Best husband in ever award. It's a bit small, so I might have to use it for something else, but for today, no less, my very first day at uni, I think it's gonna work okay. Just got off the train, now I've got to walk, no idea where I'm going, probably gonna get lost. So just at the university, look at those gorgeous views. Wow. Hi guys, so about the washing machine, so I'm going to make this really quick because I'm cooking dinner, but I'm home, end of my first day. It's been really positive. The weather has been awful, but my first day has been really positive. I really like my lecturer. It was a really good but long lecture. I feel like I don't know anything at all, so I've got a lot of reading to do, but I'm sure everybody feels like that. I feel a little bit underprepared. I feel like I could probably have done with a couple of weeks extra, but I think clearing will do, you know, applying through clearing will do that for you. So train home, all in all a really positive day. Did a quiz, didn't do too terribly on the quiz. I don't know, my head's all over the place. I've got such a headache from trying to absorb information today. I think I'm such a perfectionist. I like to get things right. I hate not knowing where I'm going. I don't find meeting new people the easiest of things sometimes, so yeah. You do see me standing in the corner looking awkward, that would be me. But other than that, it's been a really good day. Apart from the fact that I fell walking up the stairs at the university, the stone stairs, and put my hand out to stop myself and had my phone in my hand, so I smashed my phone. Luckily, I'm out of contract and I really need a new phone. But other than that, pretty gutted about that. But could be worse, I suppose. Could have been my face. So, yeah, getting used to the new glasses. So now I'm just home. I had a nice little rest. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm shattered. I mean, like, does that happen to anybody else? Is it just absorbing all the information? I'm really tired. Don't think the weather's helping either. It's absolutely pouring out there. So now I'm just making spaghetti bolognese for dinner. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning. I didn't get very much sleep last night. I don't know why, but just didn't seem to sleep. It's cold and it's dark. First dark morning. It's about 6:30 now. That is the first dark morning. Oh, autumn is coming. It is really cold. So I don't know if my alarm didn't go off again or if I turned it off again, I don't know, but I'm running a little bit late, so I need to rush now to get ready to get the train at 8. So I need to have a shower and get ready, but I'm not feeling particularly well. I've heard people say the word fresh is flu. I really hope that's not what I'm getting, but I woke up with a sore throat and feeling a bit so right, time to get on with the day. Second day of lectures. What have I got to say? Perspectives of the past. The train was late. Taxi was late. Woo! Classes for today. Henry, do you want to say good morning to everybody?
On the More Music Breakfast, I did mention, as we talk tomorrow about Dream Day. It's World Dream Day today. I don't know if you remember.
Good morning, everybody. My throat seems to be getting worse by the day. Apologies. It is now Wednesday morning. Today's a big day. I'm off to uni and I've got case studies. I'm studying the Peasants' Revolt. Morning, Hen.
Hen.
Henry.
Hen.
How do you feel about Mummy going to university?
Hennies.
Like that, is it?
Hen.
Excuse me. Morning, Henry. How do you feel about me going to university? Aww. I'll be home later. Love you. Love you. So it's about 7:15. I'm actually ready for once. Yeah, just done some really simple makeup, all Bobbi Brown today. Top is from Matalan, which I really like. It's nice on top. Top and leggings combo. Yeah, nice outfit. Crazy coloured trainers because I have to walk so far. It's just not comfortable to wear normal shoes really, and it's so wet and disgusting out there. It's another rainy day. I'm gonna get so wet, so I'm just like, screw it, just wearing trainers today. So, just got one lecture today, 10 till 12, do a bit in the library, then I'm gonna run home, literally. And although I think I might go out, try for one of the choirs today, I have to double check when it is, I'm not sure. But I'm off tomorrow, so I just want to come home. I've got so much to do, so much to sort out, so much to read, so I just need to take tonight and tomorrow to get sorted, and then I'll feel a lot better going into the weekend. And I've got a lecture on Friday, so first week is definitely shaping up to be a bit overwhelming. Good morning. Excuse the the red hair. It is Friday morning. It finally made it to Friday. It's absolutely pouring with rain. I'm going to get soaked again for the like 5th time this week. But it's Friday, 1 lecture to go, and I've got the weekend to kind of readjust, get more prepared and sort of get myself sorted. Which is really good because I'm feeling pretty under the weather this morning. I've got a bit of a temperature, a bit of a really sore throat, fresh as flu, I don't know. But yeah, glad it's the last day. Not looking forward to the commute though. Good news is student loans got in. Yay! Takeaway tonight. So I need to get ready for the taxi picnic. It's Friday, so I'm going to treat myself to a bit of a lush bubble bath. Love this one. Cherry blossoms. Right, so makeup done, and I'm wearing my Winchester top for the first time, and I've just got black hair root hairspray on it. Oh dear. Do hope that's going to come out. So I'm wearing my Winchester top for the first time, yay! It's still raining. Done my makeup and my hair. I've just stuck my hair in a bun and didn't bother to dry it just because it's going to get wet again. Anyway, makeup is all long wear, all Bobbi Brown today. This is some of what I'm using. Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation. Hot Rouge for my cheeks. Art Stick and Dusty Pink for my lips. Long Wear Cream. Pick out all the vegetables. End of the first week of lectures. It's time to pick out. Good morning guys, it is Saturday, so I made it through the end of last week. Sorry I didn't finish the vlog properly yesterday, I was just so tired. Just got home, we had a takeaway, really nice Indian, and a few cheeky glasses of red wine last night.